So now that we're done helping out our neighbor, clear out some dead trees, we're gonna go over to back 40 and try to make some more progress.
Our plan for the fort today is to put up another wall. We've been slowly working on getting all four sides of this structure together, and we're hoping to finish it in the next couple days. Now, this requires a lot of moving of lumber, as you're going to see in the next couple minutes. On the left side of the Jeep, as you can see, there's a bunch of downed trees from when a logging company came through and accidentally tore through and made this road. We're going to make the most of this and use it and salvage it as part of our structure. In addition, we're going to be having a huge fire, going to try to melt some aluminum as well.
What are we doing right now, Owen?
Alright, so right now we're setting up to melt some aluminum. What we like to do is collect a lot of scrap around here. Cans, miscellaneous industry pieces from elevators, and we like making a little bit of art. Sometimes in the summer, we cast anthills, which is really cool to see. Like, you can see the entire tunnel structure in a piece of metal. But we're making ingots right now.
Yeah, we're gonna make as many as we can. See how much aluminum we really have. Got some exciting stuff going on. We're gonna pull this log out with the Jeep.
Alright. That's why we have this tree saver strap.
Got a nice breeze from the exhaust. Yeah, what was that on?
We're planning on using this log for lumber for our future projects. I'm gonna take it out of the way.
Alright, I gotta back you up. I don't want to get hurt.
We're always stressing safety on Sybert's garage.
Look at that. It's making tracks. Alright.
What if the Jeep's out of gas?
Ran out of gas.
This is why you have a jerry can. It's a Jeep for good.
Yeah.
Safety.
Too bad it doesn't have a nozzle.
Oh, it does.
Really?
Yeah. It's got a vent. And this nozzle, this thing turns upside down. It's a filter that.
Oh wow. That's really nice.
Yeah. So
Didn't even know that.
Has a filter, so it makes sure that no gas and debris particles can pass through.
Yeah, gotta love the smell of fresh gas.
The Jeep is very thirsty for gas at all times. We're currently melting aluminum. Just poured one ingot. Now gotta add a little bit more. Go for a second. Zack here is cutting down some foliage in the back 40. And we're making some real good progress here. Got compost piles. Brought more compost from our house. Being real productive. Oh, wow. I got it too soon. Yeah, this is crumbling right now.
Yeah, this one didn't turn out so good.